You see me? Hold on. Let me see this how this is.
Leave it, make it stay. Make it go on.
No, I'm not getting nobody now. B, just Sasha, I'm just starting, man. Guys, right now, I'm going to check on YouTube right now. I'm going to check on YouTube right now. And just to Sasha and live. Hello? Yeah, people, as me I say now, people, see it? Alright, D and Ivany, you know, them look mix up and them look argument things, see it? Boom now. Shay no response about dirty thinking, big pussy girl Ivany.
No,
you see me I say?
I'm never in a
Shay in a mix up with nobody. You see me I say now? Remember that D and she in a mix up. You see me I say? And just true because Shay and D I play a match I play a game on TikTok, go live and play a game on TikTok. You see me I say now? Shay now, somebody send a video to me now. You see me I said D now is going to say big fat stinking ugly Shay I can look. Eh? Big fat stinking ugly Shay I can look. Girl, dirty big pussy girl. You can talk about say that's why King have been cock all about in a place. Yo, me tell you something, girl. Let me tell you something, you. Yeah, this is my baby mother. You hear? Yeah. You say, shut up, no man. Let me talk, no man. You see me, I say, Ivany, who's you, Ivany?
So why you addressing? Not addressing my
Ivany, who's you, Ivany?
No.
You see me, I say, who's you?
Tomorrow morning,
who's you? Who's you, Ivany? You see me, I say, who's you, Ivany? Yo, every time, yo, if I go up and bloom right now, I type in Ivany, you see skin out from bumbo clot, blue.
Hello. First of all, me did upon Ivany life. Ivany never called Shay name. She never called.
The video do. We just watched a video a while ago.
Yeah, there is a video, but me no want.
We just watching video a while ago on YouTube right now. If we type in, if go on YouTube a while ago and type in and say,
why you don't have Shay address the situation? Why you gonna take it up on your head?
Yo, come on from my life, lady. Pussy club.
You come on, idiot. You big bumbo ass.
Yeah, go suck
No, Mr. Ivany say a batty man. Go, you idiot.
Bumbo clot, you go suck your man. And go. Fucking idiot, yo. And you can jump on my life and come and have a little dirty stinking mouth. You see me, I say, in call me names, in call me blood clot name. Fucking idiot, yo. Where come on? How end them black in pussy hole after this? Blood clot idiot. You come like some crosses, girl. It's the best about why I'm gonna make sure come on this. Me brawling more than blood clot Shay. Me brawling more than hey, make it baby them go on in Sasha. Me brawling more than Shay. You see me I say? Me brawling more than Shay, so me come on this can't do this. You see me? Shaka do video can talk about dirty, big, fat, ugly, stinking Shay I can't look. What's your business about in the argument, youth?
No, me never. No, but put fun and joke aside, people. Me not in a mix up. I was on the live and I was here. Me, I taking everything. I'm not going to say anything in a nobody conversation. But me frightened. I was frightened that my name called. But me don't want to come address people that is not relevant to you right now. Me don't want to come out and give nobody no highlight. Me don't want to give nobody no hype. You understand me? Come on for it. You better come on for this.
Yo.
Come on for this. Come on.
Dirty blood class thinking idiot, girl. Piece the boy. Who you, girl? Yo.
Come
Yo, hold on, man. Hold on. Miss it, man.
No, honey, come on. The onion. Accept onion.
Blood clot idiot, dirty girl, man. Look how long they on social media. Can't walk now. Sashay shoes. Post soul idiot, girl.
Come on.
You can call my woman big fat dirty stinking girl. And I you the on blood class social media. You come talk about me and me talk all about the place. For your post all about the place on Instagram too. You're posted all about the place on blood class.
Jamaican. Hold on there. Oh, me think. Hold on there on here.
You never Oh, him come off?
Yeah, I know him come off.
Some
Cuss out rascal. Then now when me a cuss her, me see big fat thinking Shay in the middle eye. Just a look so me just start clash it. Me say that's why Dirty King and Lego out or Lego his body are about the place for you. Yeah. You thinking Shay with King not top Lego body fan for the media, yeah. So now Shay says she have to end the live. And when you look, Shay end the live. So it look like say, you go sit down and plan out to come with a YouTube video or whatever she come with. So that's why she react now. Yeah? So that's one of them style. They dep on YouTube, me go. So what dep on our YouTube, me go look. Take it and post it on Instagram. Then mama, you the things you're well beloved. Why you think say everybody love you? 1 hour ago, the truth is gonna hurt, but here goes. The truth is gonna hurt, but here goes. You are doing the most, but I made this because I finally come out at about them make all slide. What? I made this because I finally come out at about the make all slide. I don't know what that means.
See you for dinner?
Yeah.
Dinner.
D, you look like you just I know say me and you know see you're mental. You know see you're mentally disturbed. What is it supposed to be on YouTube? I thought you was gonna come with something to wow me. Oh, you expect that video to put on YouTube? What you think it reach for the media? Alright, I'm block that picture. Understand. Wasn't I talking on the live last night and the day before that Neil used to put on some licking on my bumbo clot, but one thing me sure I'm lick down back boy blood clot? No. I mean, D, if you just realize that D did fuck me up and I made video it and put it out, I mean I understand, but you should have mentioned that in the title. You should have posted and said, yes, we already know that Ivany used to get licked. I don't know. Oh, I did cut my hand right there. No, somebody did mad. Vani come off of the live. Vani done the live because it upset him. Oh, wow, may I see the comments there? Me pussy clap. What?
Shay, have no shame. I'm gonna keep innocent.
Him have anger problem or because him a try changing ways make me come from life come show this. You know, hear me say Shay, the boy a go like him, innocent. Play it back, listen good. It's a difference. We are never. Listen. Turn it up. Come on, hear me hear what I'm saying. It's a difference. Like, I'm not one up from the man.
Shay, have no shame. I'm gonna keep innocent.
Oh, it cut this up. Pause this. Breathe. Go back. She writes something on the screen. Hold on. She writes something more. So read what it say. Wait, this one is Hold on, more. So what she write? One long black paragraph too, you know.